Yeah.
Well, say hi then.
Hi then.
There you go. Thank you. Alright, uwian na naman kami guys. Suot na natin yung helmet kaya nag-start na ako mag-vlog. But yeah, this is the shop. Maaga kami natapos today. Earlier than usual. It's on, bro. Say hi. Ay. Big bikes kami today. Hindi kami Vespa day to work. It's a ride the multistrada day to work. What is this? Is this new?
I got a cage.
I know. PG45. Did we have new? Nice. Bago na naman kaming Porsche. Hello. George, fuel. Alright guys, we're leaving work. So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another episode. We're starting the vlog coming from work. This time pauwi tayo with the multistrada. God. Fucking George, crazy guy. But yeah, look at that. It's very, very pretty. Giorgino. Alright, mag-gas muna tayo. And we'll continue this in a bit. Nice. Alright, another Apaw serye, guys. Ducati this time, Apaw serye. Walang Apaw serye. Okay, tuloy na tayo. Connect tayo.
Grouping initiated. Searching for group. Searching for group. Searching for group. Searching for group. Grouping succeeded. One group member connected.
Yo! What up?
What up?
Okay. Kaliwa, pupasokin mo ako? Okay.
26.
Yan, mag-hi ka
Promise
na
you.
There you go.
Ah, George! Say hi! Wala pala siya maglardo.
Oh, pasok ko. Pwede yan, no? Yun!
Pakarad naman natin yung umaga.
Ah, sige. Pogi, oh. Guys, oh, for sale.
For sale yan, guys.
Anong year yan, Mac? Alam mo yung year niyan, eh, di ba?
17.
Yan yung last year ng model na yan, eh, di ba?
Last na R6. Last year na R6.
Oo. Kaya kahit pa paano may konti siyang special. Pag binili niyo yan, guys, yung suot niyang leather jacket tsaka helmet, kakausapin ko, ibibigay ko rin sa inyo.
Kasama yan.
Ipapasama ko yan. Kasama yan sa sa sale.
Tama na, pawis dyan guys. Dito pawis.
Libre pawis.
Okay, ito, hindi kasi ito coach eh.
Mainit yung motor. Thank you. Yun. Oop.
Yung coach, walang init, ano?
Shit. Mataas ang aking stress level ah.
Bakit? Relax ka lang.
Relax lang. Try. I'm trying. Hindi lang ako uli sanay. 3 weeks ang po ito. Ayan na, nauna na si George. Goodbye na yan.
Tara.
Ayan na yung master. Ang master ng split lane boys.
Nag-comment nga sa akin dati no, pinost ko yung traffic dito. Sabi yung traffic na sa inyo yan. Paano pa dito yan eh. Sabi ko dati talaga, nung walang construction, wala talaga traffic. Baga, tuloy-tuloy yung flow, di ba?
Yup. Ano yung sabi nila, pag gusto mo makasama yung mahal mo sa buhay ng matagal,
Daan mo sa EDSA.
idaan mo sa EDSA. Okay.
Pero lumuwag na lang EDSA eh. After ng Skyway talaga eh. Sabi ayaw ko natin.
Oo.
Ulit, Mike.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the tow. Oh, 4 na yung motor. May katabi kayo. Isa. Hi bro. What's up? Didn't see me?
Sa mga motor, oh. Panan.
Yun. Old school,
Old school.
Old school. Tali. Walang ABS yan bro.
Yan na, may ride na bro. May ride na kami. Group ride na to.
Group ride na kami. Ilan na tayo? 5?
Group ride na to. 5. Group ride na to. Uy.
Bye Georgie.
Bye George.
Sayang wala siyang kardo ngayon. Tinanong ko sa dumounship pa. Patay.
MotoGP.
Uy, shit.
MotoGP. Ito na lang, tapasin mo.
Akala ko tinapas niya. Yan. Bye-bye ka na. We'll see you in the next episode.
Dio. Takbon DQ.
Takbon DQ.
Ingat din.
Okay Doc, ingat din. Text mo lang ako.
Okay.
Okay, ingat. Alright, so nakahiwalay na sa atin si Bomac TV. We're very close sa bahay. Nandito na tayo sa Cheyenne. We're about maybe 2 blocks away. Nasa bahay na tayo. So this is where I'm gonna say bye as well. Thank you for joining us on our ride home today. Short ride lang naman. Maybe it's gonna be short video kasi wala naman tayo masyado na pag-usapan. Pero yun lang, yung traffic lang yung nakita nyo. But anyway, thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Again, God bless everyone and be a blessing to one another. We'll see you in the next episode, okay? Thank you. Ciao.